If you're concerned about how market volatility could impact your savings, you're not alone. Protecting your nest egg from major market shocks is a real concern for many retirees, and it's crucial to have a strategy in place to safeguard your wealth. In today's video, we're going to cover the top strategies to do just that. And if you're serious about securing your financial future, I'll also share how thousands of Americans are turning to gold IRAs as a solution to protect their wealth. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to shield your savings from the next big market crash. Before we dive in, if you're looking for a more detailed guide on how to protect your savings with gold IRAs, click the first link in the description below for a free guide that could change the way you think about retirement. It's perfect if you're worried about your wealth in the coming weeks. Now let's talk about what really matters: protecting your nest egg. One of the first steps you need to take is to evaluate where your money is right now. Traditional stock portfolios have been popular for years, but we all know how quickly the markets can turn. We've seen massive fluctuations in the stock market, especially in times of economic uncertainty, and for retirees, this can be disastrous if you're too heavily invested in risk. This is where diversification comes into play. The problem with putting all your eggs in one basket, whether that basket is stocks or bonds, is that you're exposing yourself to unnecessary risk. It's like walking a tightrope without a safety net. A safer, more stable investment is something that's less dependent on the volatility of the market, and this is exactly why many people are turning to gold IRAs to protect their wealth. Gold has stood the test of time. Unlike stocks or bonds, which can fluctuate wildly in response to global events, gold often rises when markets are in trouble. During times of economic instability, inflation, or political unrest, gold tends to hold its value, making it an ideal choice for protecting your savings from major market shocks. If you're wondering how to incorporate gold into your portfolio, gold IRAs provide a convenient way to do that. So, if you want to make sure your retirement savings aren't hit too hard by the next market downturn, consider shifting some of your wealth into gold. But how do you get started? That's where the free guide comes in. If you're ready to protect your wealth, especially if you've got $100K or more in an IRA or 401K, click the link in the description for a free, no-obligation guide that walks you through the process step by step. Another strategy to consider is reducing your exposure to highly volatile assets. This might mean reevaluating your stock holdings, especially those in sectors that are more prone to large swings. Keep in mind, though, that gold IRAs offer something those stocks simply can't: long-term security. While markets crash and recover, gold often remains a constant in uncertain times. The beauty of a gold IRA is that it gives you a way to diversify your retirement portfolio, giving you more control over your financial future. Unlike traditional retirement accounts that are heavily influenced by stock market performance, a gold IRA is based on a tangible asset that isn't tied to the ups and downs of the market. If you're serious about protecting your nest egg from major market shocks, don't wait. Now is the time to start taking action. Imagine the peace of mind knowing that your wealth is protected no matter what happens in the markets. For those who have 100K, 500K, or even millions in savings, gold IRAs offer a secure, reliable way to preserve wealth for the long term. At the end of the day, your retirement savings are too important to leave to chance. By diversifying into gold, you're taking a proactive approach to securing your financial future. If you're ready to take the next step, I highly recommend you click the first link in the description to get your free gold IRA guide today. Don't wait for the next market crash to happen. Protect your wealth now. If you have 100K or more in your IRA or 401K, or if your savings exceed $5 million, this information is especially relevant to you. Don't leave your nest egg at risk. Take action now to ensure it's protected for the long term.